Welcome to Dahlia Pointe and this beautifully upgraded former model home at 6837 East Peralta Circle in Mesa. Offering 3 bedrooms plus a den and a smart split floor plan, this home blends modern style with everyday comfort. The open great room creates a bright, inviting space centered around a large island with breakfast bar and pendant lighting, perfect for gathering and entertaining. The kitchen features granite countertops with an undermount stainless sink, crisp white cabinetry with new hardware, a subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry for extra storage. The spacious owner's suite offers a relaxing retreat with a walk-in closet and updated finishes, while thoughtful upgrades continue throughout with new door hardware, Moen faucets, ceiling fans, and 2.5-inch blinds. This Energy Star home also includes in-ceiling fire sprinklers, wireless thermostats, radiant barrier roof sheathing, rain gutters, and a 2-car garage. The dramatic 14-foot sliding door opens to the tiled covered patio, extending your living space outdoors. This move-in ready home offers the perfect combination of design, efficiency, and lifestyle.